What's up, Wicked Android here. So, I know I have been telling you from the past few days that Huawei finally made a comeback to the market after a long period of time and is breaking all the records of sales in China due to the massive success of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro. But in this video, I am going to show you the actual statistics like the numbers which are crazy and will give you a major relief if you truly admire Huawei. So yeah, recent market statistics indicated that Huawei's market share has jumped from 10.3% to 17% between the 33rd and the 36th week of 2023. Well, this boom in the market has allowed Huawei to surpass even Xiaomi, which was the leading brand in China with 18.4% market share, now reduced to 14% only. Like Huawei grabbed all the market share of Xiaomi's, plus the former Huawei sub-brand Honor also experienced a minor decrease in its market share from 17.7% to 17.2%. But still, it's 0.2% above Huawei. Other significant players in the Chinese smartphone market including Oppo, Vivo and Apple have also felt a significant reduce in the market share. The success of the Huawei Mate 60 series and the Huawei Mate X5 has resulted in a reshuffling of the market. Huawei's strong performance is expected to continue throughout the whole year, positioning the brand as the market leader in China for the fourth quarter. Well, this achievement will likely cause a shift in the top 5 brands, potentially displacing Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo or Honor from their current positions. Apple, on the other hand, continues to have a relatively small market share and very limited growth in China because Apple also got banned in the Chinese market and obviously all of its market share has been shifted to Huawei. And guys, aside from the market share gains, Huawei has also gained a recognition for the durability of its flagship devices, the Huawei Mate 60 series. Here you can see a well-known content creator from Vivo is literally breaking walnuts from the screen of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro, which is nearly impossible for all other devices available in this era. Huawei has used Kunlun Glass 2, which is even more stronger than the Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra's Corning Gorilla Glass. So overall, Huawei nearly dominated the Chinese market with a single release and there are a lot of coming in the future. So yeah, what do you think about this massive achievement of Huawei? Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.